Hello and welcome back. Today I want to share a new album I just finished using the Prima Amber Moon collection and the tutorial by Frances from Your Book of Memories. I will link her tutorial as well as the flip through that she did in the description box. This is the cover. I decorated it with flowers from the same collection as well as a chipboard sticker that has some great foiled writing. This is the spine and then the back. On the first page we have two pockets, one with a big insert, and in the other I put some of the cut apart pieces from one of the 12 by 12 sheets. So for this album I used only one pack of 12 by 12 papers, and I still have two entire sheets as well as some leftovers from other pages. So here we have an interesting page design where we have these two corners and they are pockets and they hold these two inserts. Here we have a piece from the ephemera pack. It is like a semi-transparent plastic piece. And here is another chipboard piece. And these are tucked in here. Okay, here we have a simple top flip, and here we have several pockets. So first we have this pocket with the two small inserts. Here we have a bigger insert. Then over here we have two parts that flip up and down. This is a trifold piece. These are two pieces from the same cut apart sheet that I used for the inside cover. Another little plastic decoration. This time the writing is foiled. And here we have another big insert. Another set of double pockets, this time going across the page, with a little chipboard coffee cup here, and two more cut aparts. And of course, another big insert. Have another page with the corner pockets. And here are two side pockets with flips. So these are simple inserts. And then on top of these we have two flips that open to the left. And these are held closed with magnets. Now, the last page is another trifold with another big insert. And on the inside cover we have a side pocket. And then here a waterfall with three big pieces. And behind them over here we have another pocket. That's it for my album. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!